Hey guys, I hope you are really well. We are going to make the most delicious lemon meringue pie. Gorgeous lemon curd and the classic Italian meringue. It's a combo that makes you very happy. First, let's do the pastry. We got here 500 grams of plain flour. Then here we have got some unsalted butter. This is 250 grams. It goes with 100 grams of icing sugar. Add a pinch of salt. And then use your fingers to make a good dough. When you are ready, you place 2 eggs in the middle. Beat up the eggs. Mix it with a little bit of milk. Use your fingers again and push it together. Don't overdo it. Put that in the fridge for 25-30 minutes. Let's continue with the delicious lemon filling. 400 ml water. Let's simmer it. Zest 5 organic lemons. We only want the yellow parts. Then squeeze the lemons. We want 200 ml fresh lemon juice. It goes directly to the water. Mix it with the boiling water. Add 100 grams butter, 1 tablespoon corn flour. It will melt immediately. Use a fork to relieve any build-up steam. Bake it for 10 minutes at 180 Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit. Let's egg wash the pastry. When you do this, you basically stop the filling from making the pastry soggy. Bake it in the oven for another 10 minutes. We got an amazing golden color here. Let's continue with the delicious lemon filling. 400 ml water. Let's simmer it. Mix it with the boiling water. Add 100 grams butter, 1 tablespoon corn flour. It will melt immediately. We got 8 egg yolks. Add them to the lemon curd one by one. Next, I will show you how to make an amazing meringue. 6 egg whites, 1 pinch of salt. Then separately, you got 350 grams sugar, 4 tablespoons of water. When the sugar is completely dissolved, you add it to the egg whites and continue to beat them up together for another 5 minutes. Pour the lemon filling on the top of the pastry. Let it cool down for half an hour. Now we are going to decorate the pie. This is an excellent combination between the sweetness of the meringue and the sourness of the lemon. You can bake it for 5 minutes in a really hot oven at 250 degrees, which is 420 Fahrenheit. Then you got this amazing topping. I hope you enjoyed the process as much as I did. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, share and comment my videos, and give me a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye bye.